In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history permanently from computer. We will walk through Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, so you can match what you see on your own screen. To start with Google Chrome, open Chrome on your Windows computer. You can do this from your taskbar or desktop. Once Chrome opens, you should see your usual start page or your most recent tabs. Now press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. A clear browsing data window appears in front of your current tab. If you do not see it, make sure Chrome is the active window before pressing the keys again. In that clear browsing data window, set the time range to all time. Use the drop-down menu to change it from the default value to all time. This tells Chrome to target everything it has stored from the very first day you used it on this computer. Next, check browsing history in the list of options. This box controls the list of sites shown in your history page and in the address bar suggestions. When it is checked, every visited page stored locally in Chrome will be queued for removal. You can also select download history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files if you want to remove those too. Download history forgets which files you downloaded without deleting the files themselves. Cookies and other site data sign you out of most websites and remove saved site preferences. Cached images and files free up space and remove stored copies of pages and pictures, which can make some sites load slightly slower next time. Once you have chosen what to remove, click Delete Data. Chrome closes the dialog, and during a short moment you might see a spinning icon. When it finishes, your selected browsing data is gone from Chrome on this computer. Next up, move to Microsoft Edge by opening Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. You should see the Edge start page or your last open tabs, which confirms you are in the right browser. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the clear browsing data panel. It usually appears as a small window in the center of Edge. Set time range to all time. Just like with Chrome, this makes sure Edge does not leave older entries behind. The drop-down will show options such as last hour or last 7 days, so be sure you have all time selected. Then select browsing history. This option controls the list of sites Edge remembers and suggests when you type in the address bar. With it checked, every local history entry for that user profile will be included. Select any other data you want removed. Edge lets you include items such as download history, cookies, and cached files, similar to Chrome. You can quickly read the short descriptions under each option to understand what will be affected for your account. Click Clear Now. Edge closes the panel and shows a brief confirmation near the top of the window when it has finished removing the data you picked. Now shift over to Mozilla Firefox by opening Firefox on your computer. When Firefox loads, you will see your homepage or your last session, confirming you are in the right place. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. This opens the clear recent history window. It might be small, but it controls all the cleanup you are about to do. Set the time range to everything. Use the drop-down at the top of the window to switch from recent time ranges to everything. That tells Firefox to include the full lifetime of data stored on this computer. Select Browsing and Download History. This covers both the pages you visited and the list of downloaded files that appears in the Firefox Downloads panel. Many beginners do not realize that clearing this does not delete the actual downloaded files sitting in your Downloads folder. Click Clear. Firefox closes the window, and the next time you open the History panel, you will see it is empty for this computer. For a more complete cleanup, remember that if you are signed into a browser account with sync enabled, clearing local history may also affect your synced devices. For example, Microsoft says Edge can clear synced browsing history across devices when sync is enabled, so one cleanup command can remove data from your phone and laptop together. Also, deleting browser history does not erase records held by websites, your Google or Microsoft account, your internet provider, or a workplace or school network. Those systems keep their own logs, and clearing your local browser history only controls what stays on this particular computer. You have now learned how to clear browsing history in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox on your Windows computer for all time ranges. If this helped you wipe your history clean, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple privacy guides like this.